Every woman needs her space, and I got mine. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh, I am so excited about this video. This has been my filming room, my glam room, my girly space for a very long time. And I have not done a great job at creating a space where I could actually come in and be comfortable and just relax in. And that's what I wanted this space to be. I actually wanted this space to be everything. I wanted a space where I can come in, I can write. I wanted a space that I can come and do my makeup. I wanted a space where it can be a conversation piece, where I want to come in, I want to do my video chats, I want to do just relax. This room is it for me, and everything on a budget. And I think I did a great job. So everything that you see in this video is stuff that I had in this room or already had in my house. And I just moved some stuff around and I made it happen. I did go out and I bought a couple of, like I said, and those pieces did not break the bank, and they were extremely affordable. When I say extremely affordable. And everything else, like I say, I've had in my house. And you're ready to see it, right? You're ready to see it. You're ready to see it. You're ready to see it. So come with me on this tour. As you guys can see, the color scheme of this room is white, soft pink, black, and glitzy and silver. And I added in live plants to bring positive energy to this room. The chair comes from Hobby Lobby. The larger wall art also comes from Hobby Lobby, which was half price. And when I saw this painting, I knew that I had picked the right color scheme for this room because it fit perfectly. The smaller piece comes from Ross, and I took the back off, spray painted it, and added in some glitter. This pink chair, I immediately knew it would be perfect for this room, which came from Hobby Lobby. The pillows I already had. And here I purchased a small lamp from Kirkland's, which cost me under $10. It was on sale. The back, which is a box from DKNY perfume, I added a candle, a pink ceramic rose, my Chanel perfume, some string pearls, and also you'll see on there that I added a card from the White House, and this chest I already had in my daughter's room, and I moved it to put all of my perfumes in. As you can see, I added books to heighten the plant, and those are books that I've read, some of my favorites. And anytime that you want to add height to plants, this would be a great idea, instead of stacking them on the large plant stand that really takes away from the aesthetics of the room. And moving over to this corner, this is a stand that I already had as well. This holds my smaller makeup palettes. This is a Diva case that I have some of my makeup on and in, and that's part of my lighting, which is black, which fits perfectly into this room. It's kind of tucked away and not intrusive to the room. Each of these drawers holds makeup, my palettes, lipsticks, lip glosses, my eyelashes, cotton swabs. If you guys would like to see what's in these drawers, just let me know. But this piece was actually purchased, I believe, from Ross some time ago. You'll see that my silver pieces really don't match, but they go very well together. This candle holder is an old lamp of my mother, and I once painted it a pretty golden color, and I decided I would spray paint it with black and add a pink candle. And this is the top of my vanity. If you guys would like to see a vanity tour in depth, comment below. But the container that holds my lip pencils and lip glosses actually come from Home Goods. It actually spins around. It's cracked, so I was able to purchase that piece for a very, very inexpensive price. My desk is old. It come from Goodwill for $10, or I think it was $10 or $20. I'm thinking $10. I added a door mirror on top, which I got to replace because I did crack it when I was taking off the trim. And underneath there is my sewing machine, some photography, my camera equipment, and that small pink trash can come from Home Goods. And I have ordered a mirror to go on top of this desk. So when I do a vanity tour, you'll see that the entire desk is going to be covered in mirror. And to my windows, I just added some sheer curtains, which have been in this room for a very long time. Every so often, I do replace them because they do get a little dingy from wear and tear and hanging. That window actually gets some direct sunlight. This chair right here was also purchased from Hobby Lobby. It is super comfortable, and when I'm just sitting here doing my makeup, I actually cover this chair with a towel to ensure that I don't get makeup onto this pretty velvety material. And next to my desk, you'll see that I have this silver mirror tray, and I'm not really sure. I think I may have purchased that from Ross or Kirkland's, but I've had it for a very long time. So this holds the makeup that I practically use every single day and my foundations that I rotate in between. I have a tall mirror that is in the corner, which I've had for many years, which came from Kirkland's. There's a live plant again that adds the natural positive energy and more oxygen to the room. It just gives it a more calming effect. And this chest here, where you see that I'm turning over to, actually comes from my daughter's room as well. The mirror I've had for many, many years, probably over 10 years. The white candle holder, I've spray painted that thing so many times, but it's now painted white. But this mirror was purchased, I believe, from Kirkland's, and it was missing some, or no, it was purchased from Pier 1. It was missing some of its rhinestones, so I got it very inexpensive, and I just purchased some rhinestones and added it from, I believe, Michael's. And that picture frame holds a scripture, and I was going to replace it and put a picture of my girls in it, but I decided to leave it as is because it just brought out the ambiance of that chest. This chest holds a lot of my larger makeup, my eye palettes, some makeup. The bottom drawer actually holds my hair products. That mirror on the middle was cracked, and I recently had it replaced as well. This candle is one of my favorite from Bath and Body Works, in which they no longer sell, so I decided to put it in here as part of the decor. My tripod just holds a couple of my favorite hats that I like. I think it just adds a pop of fashion to the room. And I typically would use this tripod for my camera if I decided to pull it out to record. You'll see to the right that there's some sheer curtains that separates the guest part of this room. Overall, the scheme of this room, the feel of this room is very soft, it's warm, and as you can see, the sun is coming in, and it's a beautiful, beautiful sunset and rainbow colors that come in through this room. It's just a very, very happy space for me where I can just come and I can relax. I can bring my girlfriends into this room and we can just sit and we can just talk about life. But I think overall that the feel of this room and what I expected it to be came out amazing. It's perfect. And I thought I had a close-up picture of what's on this vanity. Oh, I do. So you'll see on top of there's a card that says the White House, and that's my favorite local, well, it's about an hour away, establishment where I love to stay. These pillows, one of these pillows are actually picking up as a dingy color, but it's a more ivory pillow than it is white. And again, this is the side of the room that is separated by sheer curtains that I purchased from, I believe, Ross. And these plants that you see in the room were plants that were given to me when my daughter passed away. So they're holding up very well. Again, this room get a lot of sunlight, so I think that helps with the growth and the upkeep of these plants.